nutritional yeast. This one, I'm gonna say right off the bat, is healthy. So nutritional yeast is yeast, just like you would have yeast to make bread or beer. It is yeast, but it does come dead, unlike yeast if you're making bread, for example. So it has—
It's not active.
It's not active. It has a nice, nutty, cheesy flavor.
This is what vegans use for cheese.
You are absolutely correct. A lot of vegans use it instead of cheese because it's high in, it's a complete protein, but it also has lots of other vitamins and minerals, specifically the B vitamins and B12. B12 is mostly found in animal products, and it's important for a healthy nervous system, energy metabolism, the formation of red blood cells.
People get B12 shots, right? When they want to increase their endurance or their energy level.
You're absolutely correct. And since vegans might not have enough of that, it's very popular. But the one thing you do have to make sure of is that you really read the labels, because not all nutritional yeast is fortified the same. So if you're looking for it for that B12, you want to make sure you read the labels. And by the way, I eat cheese, but I still add this in, again, just as another healthy ingredient. What I love doing is adding it to some Brussels sprouts. Popcorn, Brussels sprouts with a little bit of balsamic vinegar. So that's like one of my favorite, putting it on roasted veggies. You can also add it to sauces and soup.
That's the drizzle. You have to like, it's the drizzle. You got to give it a minute.
You got to give it a little shake there.
There you go.
So we're talking about apple cider vinegar as the miracle weight loss liquid that some people think it is. So I want to ask the audience, first of all, what do you think? Healthy or hype?
Of course it's
Or hype. Wait, healthy or hype, though? Hands, I want to see hands.
Okay, but generally speaking, I don't think anybody's going to say that it's hype that vinegar is okay for you.
Well, but taking apple cider vinegar shots for weight loss, I'm going to say is hype. So here's the thing.
But vinegar itself is just a lovely acid to add to
absolutely. And
recipes.
And I do keep it in my pantry, but here's the thing. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to help increase satiety. So it may make you feel a little more satisfied. It has also been shown to help control blood sugar levels. It also has some antioxidants and some amino acids in there. However, it's not necessarily the weight loss miracle that people, and exactly, and taking those shots may also burn your esophagus, and that is not going to help anyone.
My grandpa, a little old Sicilian man, he did drink vinegar. Like, he'd have a shot of vinegar, but I think it was—
You do have to be careful.
Cut, fatty foods.
Exactly.
If he's having a big steak or something.
Right, and so you do want to keep it in. I keep it with my oils and vinegars, but what I like to do is just use it as another healthy ingredient.
Well, yeah,
so we add a little Dijon in there, exactly, a little salt, a little pepper, make a little, this is one of my favorite salad dressings. And then, so just incorporate it into your diet, but don't necessarily feel like you have to have the shots.
You don't have to drink it.
Exactly, so now I'm just pouring this into this salad right here, which, of course, salad, we know if you make it taste better, you're going to enjoy more of these vitamins and minerals and fiber and the water volume, and then, of course, that may help you lose weight when you eat lots more veggies.